He's calm, very normal bird. I'll take him. I'll call you Scully.
What's happening?
Scully, get down!
I'm scared.
Hold on!
Ethan.
Did you just talk? Surprised? Well, that's new. Your head is a skull! Technically stylish. I feel different. I think I unlocked teleportation. Really? Show me. You're magical. I was always special. So lightning made you powerful? Yes, it unlocked my true potential. Now, I wield magic. Lightning triggered what was inside. Wait, don't... Wait, don't... Best pet ever! From ordinary to extraordinary. We detected unusual dimensional energy here. Yeah, and possibly a flying skull. Field trip. Why are we on a pyramid? I'm afraid of heights! Relax. Beautiful view. Zero paperwork. What the heck? It's magic!